First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:42 this morning, and the severe weather occurred exactly where we thought it would yesterday in Iowa, parts of Kansas, Nebraska, and actually you'll notice a couple reports of tornadoes. Fortunately, the damage fairly minor. There was some damage reported, but not too bad. There weren't any big tornadoes. And if we look at the satellite and radar image, you can see what's left of those storms. There's still some activity there, but don't have that same intensity that they did when they were producing severe weather. This tends to happen in the overnight hours. Those storms lose their strength, and it's just kind of you get occasional lightning strikes still, but it's mainly just rain coming down. But new storms will form this afternoon, and today I think Texas has a chance of seeing some damaging wind and hail. The only chance for tornadoes I think is going to be from Wyoming on into Montana. That's where the best chance of severe weather is today. Notice no worries here in the valley, but today finally we do have a chance of rain to talk about for the first time in 2 weeks. I think we're finally going to see some sea breeze showers and storms form. Now, don't get excited about sea breeze showers and storms because a lot of folks are going to miss out, but at least some I think will get lucky and get a little bit of rain. We have some low-level clouds to start the day, and I do think we'll have mostly cloudy skies still around 10 a.m. The clouds are going to break up as we get into the afternoon, but today, while those clouds break up, they're not going to break up as much, and look at the little bit of green showing up on the future track. Again, it has been a while since we've seen this, but a few showers of storms will pop up. Now, again, no guarantees it's going to be right over Raymondville and Harlingen, but I think somewhere around noon and 1 is when we're going to start to see those pop up somewhere in the lower valley, and then they're going to drift to the west as they typically do, but they'll probably start to fall apart. Some might see a little bit of rain in Hidalgo County, but better chances are in the lower valley today. But even in the lower valley, I think a lot of folks are going to stay dry. Now, it's going to be hot today. The heat index is going to be around 104, but it's better than the 106, 107 that we saw yesterday. And eventually, skies will become mostly sunny as we get into the early evening hours. Quiet during the overnight hours, and with just very light wind tomorrow morning, I think we'll see a little bit of fog in some places. Today, hazy. Tomorrow, I think there'll be light fog in parts of the valley. Not everywhere, though. And tomorrow, once again, the clouds will hold on a little bit better. Mostly cloudy start, but I think it'll be partly cloudy for much of the day. And yes, some will get lucky and see a little bit of rain starting in the lower valley. It'll work on into the upper valley during the early mid-afternoon hours. But by the early evening, those clouds will be breaking up. The rain will go away, but it will be cooler, even cooler tomorrow. Heat index around 102. And a normal heat index this time of year is around 100 degrees. So we are returning back to where we should be for this time of year. 97 is going to be our high today. Partly cloudy skies overall. A few showers this afternoon, but don't get your hopes up. At least there's a chance of rain, but many are going to stay dry. Partly cloudy tonight, a little bit of patchy fog very late tonight, early tomorrow morning with lows around 77. And check out the 7-day forecast. These are numbers that I like a lot better than those triple digits. Yes, it's going to be hot, but more seasonable for this time of year. In fact, 97, that's the highest temperature we have on the 7-day forecast. Partly cloudy skies all 7 days. A small chance of rain today through Sunday. Then the rain chance goes away, but the breeze picks up, so that keeps us with fairly moderate temperatures for this time of year.